that's it. I've decided that this apricot makeup look is officially going to be my new makeup style for winter. This makeup look is kind of low-key giving I'm cold, but I'm cozy at the same time. So without further ado, let's start. So this is the moisturizer that I'll be using. This is the Youth Firming Cream by Kotal. So I'm just gonna apply that on my skin. So what I like about this moisturizer is that it really brings moisture back to your face because it's like a little bit more thicker. When it comes to like before I apply makeup on, I don't like to use like thick moisturizers, but in this case recently I traveled to the Philippines, so when it comes to like traveling, you're always in the airplane, and to be honest, I'm not that great with my skincare. When it comes to traveling, I kind of get a bit inconsistent, so my skin's been feeling really dry and it's just been feeling really bad. So
bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
Okay, so next up we're just gonna apply some sunscreen. I actually picked this up from the Philippines as well. This is by Fairy Skin. I don't like the fact that it's like brightening sunscreen because, you know, when it comes to like Asian beauty standards, they're always promoting like whitening products. But in this case, you know what, when it comes to sunscreen, right, like for me, when I wear sunscreen, like it always feels so oily and sticky on my face. And like my hair starts to get oily as well, and then like also my eyes start to burn too. So like it's just like once like my hair, a piece of hair gets stuck on my face, that part just gets oily as well. But with this one, this is like the first sunscreen that I've ever used that doesn't make my hair feel sticky if my hair touches my face. Also, like it doesn't leave your skin feeling like what's it called, like oily, and also like it's very easy to blend too. I look like a clown right now, but like when it comes to sunscreen, I apply a lot. So now we're just gonna go in with the cushion. This has been my favorite recently because it's just so quick and easy to apply on some foundation. And look at the packaging, it just opens so easily. You just press the button here and then you just open it like that. It's so easy to open. Sometimes when it comes to cushions, right, I'm just like, where the fuck is it? Where is it? Is it this side? Is it that side?
Oh my god!
So the eyeshadow palette that I'll be using is a She Glam palette in the mauve. I don't know, whatever, it's there. First color I'll be going in with is this brown color right here. With this color, I'm just gonna apply it on my lids, but I'm just gonna leave a gap in the middle. So you know how we left that gap there? We're just going to apply that color in the middle. Moving on, we're going to use a second eyeshadow palette. This one is the Ramen ND eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to mix the pink color and this corally peach color together. And this time I'll be using it with a bigger brush. Now I'm just going to go back to the first eyeshadow palette that I used, and I'm going to go and mix this color and this color together. And I'll be putting it under my eyes. So just right under the eyes. Make sure you're not putting all the way down to here. You're just doing it right under the eye line. I'm just going to use my finger this time, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. And I'm just going to tap it subtly on my eyes. I'm just gonna go back in with this and this color. I'm gonna mix those two together. I think when it comes to this eyeshadow look, it's all about the small details and really not like rushing the process. Now I'm just gonna go in and follow the wing line. Just apply it underneath. close the eyes and bring it up a little bit. We are going to make some egg yolk, so I'm just gonna go in with this color and then just apply it underneath my eyes. So instead of black eyeliner, we're gonna go in with the brown eyeliner. This one is from She Glam as well, and this is the online creamy eyeliner. So when it comes to eyeliner, like I'm a bit lazy with it. I just apply it directly underneath my eyelash line and follow the wing line. So when it comes to the eyeliner look, I don't make it too perfect, but I go for like a more smoky blended eyeliner look. So I literally just do the tail. I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes now. So I'm just gonna apply some lashes. These lashes I got from Shein. They're like very natural looking, so it's easy to put on and the band isn't thick as well. Okay, so now we're finally finished with the eyes. We're gonna bring the focus back to the face. I'm gonna be using this blush from Sunny's Face, and this is in the color Mars. So this is a cheek tint, and this is what it looks like. I haven't used it yet. This is my first time using it, but when I bought this I was like, wow, this is gonna be perfect for this look today. So this is what it looks like, and we're just going to be applying that. This is what the color looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so orange as well. Okay, let's hope it's not too orange on my face, but I'm just going to apply it. This is my first time using this, by the way. I'm just going to apply this above my cheekbones. Okay. Wow, so this is what the color looks like. You know what, I'm going to bring a little bit of the I'm actually going to bring a little bit of the blush and bring it on top of the eyeshadow, just a little bit. So I'm just connecting it. I'm just connecting the blush with my eyeshadow. So to finally finish it off, I'm going in with this lip treat from Sunny's Face as well, and this is in Sakura. This is the color. Isn't it so pretty? Okay. I'm gonna add another topper. This one is from Bench Beauty. This one is like a liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Lolita. And ta-da! This is the finished look. This is a apricot look that you can do in the winter. So this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like this soft apricot look.